Prabhupada is pointing out that how Narad Muni became very happy seeing the advancement of Dhruva Maharaj, and this way, when the spiritual master sees his disciples making advancement, he becomes happy the way the father becomes happy seeing his son's advancement. As a matter of fact, the spiritual master is the father of the disciples. Actually, the spiritual master is the real father of the disciples. Our material father is the father of this body, but the spiritual master is the father of the spirit soul. He awakens our spiritual identity. He gives us the spiritual birth. So, in that respect, he is our real father. And that's why the devotees are called Dvija, or twice born. The first birth is the birth of the body, this material body, and the second birth is the birth of the spirit soul. And the spirit soul is born by coming in contact with the spiritual master or receiving the spiritual knowledge, which actually awakens his spiritual consciousness. And that is the real birth.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama,